Hey everybody, it is Tom from Vitruviance, welcoming you to the first ever episode of Health Hacks. In these videos, we're going to give you some practical, simple, and easy ways that you can improve your health and nutrition. And for the first episode today, we are going to start with a fast food staple, everybody's favorite, Chipotle. So today we are going to be making a healthier burrito bowl. And so first let's go over the ingredients we're going to be using. Number one, your favorite burrito bowl here from Chipotle. Chicken is my go-to. Item number two, a big bin of spinach or spring mix lettuce. And then these two options are optional. We've got some extra seasoning here. We've got some hot sauce. But those are the only ingredients we need. And now that we have all our ingredients ready to go, it is time to cover the preparation and cooking. Now this part can be a little tricky, so pay very close attention as I show you what to do here for this dish. Hopefully you caught that there. I only had one burrito, I can only do that one time. Essentially, all we do, throw the burrito in this big container of lettuce, throw some hot sauce, some seasoning in there, and shake it all up. So essentially what we're doing by adding our burrito bowl to this huge container of spinach is we're really increasing the volume of this meal, but we're barely increasing the calories in the meal at all. This entire container of spinach, aside from being super healthy, super nutritious, it only has 100 calories for this whole massive container. So when I add my burrito bowl to this and I eat this whole thing, this is gonna really fill me up, and yet it's really not adding that many calories to my burrito bowl. Now right now, you might be thinking, hey Tom, a burrito bowl is more than enough for me. I get it healthy. I don't need to throw it in this whole thing of spinach. And if that's the case, great, good for you. But guess what? Case in point, when I went and bought this burrito today at Chipotle, there were about 10 people ahead of me in line. I'd say 7 or 8 of them were throwing on double meat, double cheese, tons of sour cream, getting chips, sometimes all of the above. So if you're one of those people who likes to add on extra things to your burrito, if just getting a normal burrito bowl isn't enough for you, or maybe you always order chips or something like that, guess what? Try this out. It's a much healthier version, and it will fill you up just as much, if not more. I'm not someone who loves eating spinach or salad by any means, but by mixing this up, the Chipotle has a lot of seasoning and flavor to it, and when you mix this up in the container, a lot of that flavor actually gets spread onto the lettuce, so it's not like you're feeling like a rabbit just eating greens. It actually has some good taste and flavor to each bite you take. So let's review the calorie and macro breakdown for this dish. For these values, this is using what I ordered, which is a chicken burrito bowl. I don't get sour cream. So for yours, it might be slightly different. But for this entire dish right here, we have 36 grams of carbs, 53 grams of protein, and only 21 grams of fat, meaning that this entire dish is only 675 calories. And again, when I take this down, which I do probably about once a week, this is gonna really fill me up, and it'll keep me satisfied for a long time. So the next time you're jonesing for some Chipotle, instead of getting a bag of chips, instead of getting extra meat, instead of getting sour cream, try a little healthier alternative. Throw it in this big thing of lettuce, and your body will thank you. You'll feel better, and I promise you, you're gonna be stuffed. This dish is Stella approved. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think. And stay healthy, kids. Stella approved!